Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Juliana. So glad you guys clicked on this video. Today I'm going to be doing a day in the life of a country girl. I'm not really a country girl, but I am I'm trying to do like yard work and stuff, and I wanted to vlog it. So say hi, Nanny.
Hi, who are you talking to?
I'm vlogging. But yeah, okay, but yeah, we're doing yard work. I'm trying to rake all of the leaves out of the flower beds because this has been a long overdue job. We need to do this. Literally, this has like not been done, so I'm trying to rake the leaves and stuff. But yeah, we have some plants already down here, so we just really need to just like get all the leaves out so we can plant new plants as well. I'm like dripping sweat, like it's so bad. So I'm gonna start raking some more. I also need to cut these brown like flowers off. I might go get a pair of scissors and cut them. My grandma said to do that, but for now I'm just gonna kind of rake it and pull the weeds up. So yeah.
You're the one who has to pay. And one thing's for sure, I'm bringing out the cheap champagne. Raise a glass and celebrate us being done. 'Cause love ain't enough.
So basically what we're doing here is we're just raking up all the leaves into one pile, and we literally just had raked them all out of the flower beds. The flower beds look so good. We got all of the nitty gritty and all in the cracks and crevices, and it looks amazing. But we're just talking right here. I had to do a voiceover just because the way I was talking was just so off, so I had to do a voiceover. Here's me carrying my tripod. But I'm showing you guys, these were like little props that were in our flower beds, and I took them out. We put them back in the end, but we just needed to take them out so that we could rake the leaves out of the flower bed. But I like that we have like all these little things to kind of decorate the flower bed and make it look cute with the flowers, so that once we get the flowers in there, it'll look nice. But yeah.
Blue, always turning up the brightness. You said you wanna see me shine even in the night. Guess it was a lie, 'cause I call you and it's straight to sorry. I can't make it. All my favorite memories have been erased. The gallery, your pictures blurring out, the faces burning down the bridges. Guess you couldn't take it. Guess I'm too high for you now, to cry for you now. Easy for you to hang up the phone. Now you're crying alone, simply confused.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it was like super short. We are gonna be getting some plants another day, so I'll vlog that, and we're also gonna bag those leaves up. But for now, I'm gonna do some homework. But this was mainly just like a different kind of vlog. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.